Easy bathroom upgrades. Bathroom glow up guide. Whether you're selling or staying, let's be real. Bathrooms are no longer the just do your business and bounce rooms. Whether you're gearing up to sell your home or just want to live your best bubble bath life, giving your bathroom a little TLC can seriously boost your home's value and vibe. Ready to scrub away the boring and polish up with some real wow factor? Let's do this. First, let's fix that funky stuff. First up, we'll deal with the obvious issues. Leaky faucets? Fix them. Peeling caulk? Replace it. Stains, mold, mystery smell? Eliminate with extreme prejudice. Buyers, and you, don't want to wonder if that drip sound is just a faucet or the start of a horror movie. Swap out that builder-grade mirror. Ditch the basic mirror that screams, "I came with the house." Frame it, replace it, or add some personality. Think hotel chic, spa calm, or whatever your Pinterest board is screaming at you. Upgrade the lighting. If your bathroom light gives off haunted gas station energy, it's time for an upgrade. Install soft, flattering light. Wall scones? Instant luxury. Dimmer switch? Mood magic. Update hardware and fixtures. This is the jewelry of the bathroom. Think matte black, brushed gold, or sleek nickel. Swap out drawer pulls, towel racks, shower heads, faucets. A weekend project equals a wow moment. And then repaint like a pro. Light neutral colors open the space and keep it fresh. Whites, soft grays, calming blues, like a day spa, but in your house. Bonus points for an accent wall with tile, wallpaper, or vertical shiplet. Add storage that's stylish. Baskets, shelves, ladder racks. There's no such thing as too much storage. Buyers want space. You want less clutter. Everybody wins. Stage it like a magazine. Fresh towels, a cute tray with little soaps, a little plant, a candle. Bam. Instant elegance. Whether it's for showings or your morning routine, you'll feel like you're in a 5-star resort. Thinking of selling? Or just want your dream bathroom in a dream house? Whether you're upgrading to sell or just want to fall back in love with your space, I can help with both. I know what buyers want, and I know how to help you find that forever home you've been dreaming about. You can search for your dream home now at margaretsellsdreamhomes.com. You can see walkthroughs, tips, and Space Coast real estate fun on my YouTube channel. Let's make your next move a smooth one, bathrooms and all. Call or text me anytime. 321-480-7662. Margaret Klein signing off, and you have an amazing day. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button.